Homophone pairs. 2. I'm going to the store. I want too many cookies. I have 2 dogs. There. That's their car. Put it over there. They're coming soon. See. I can see you. We sailed across the sea. Bare. The tree was bare of leaves. We saw a big bear in the woods. Pair. I need a new pair of shoes. This pair is sweet. Night. The knight wore armor. We go out at night. Write. I like to write stories. Turn right at the corner. The rite of passage was important. Flower. The flower bloomed. We need flour for baking. Mail. I check my mail daily. The male lion roared. Peace. We want world peace. I need a piece of cake. Plane. The plane was vast. We flew on a plane. No. I know the answer. I said no to candy. Meat. We ate meat for dinner. Let's meet at noon. Break. Take a break. Hit the brake to stop. 4. I have 4 books. This is for you. Sun. My sun is young. The sun is shining. Week. It's been a week. I feel weak today. Maid. I made dinner. The maid cleaned the room. Road. Drive on the road. I rode my bike. Here. I can hear you. Come over here.